This is Mary's Creative Decor. If you're a subscriber, thank you for joining me. And if this is your first time stopping by, make sure you hit the subscribe button and become part of the Creative Decor family. I want to thank you in advance for watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What you see here on the table is things I'll be using for the project today. Now I want to bring you a series of centerpieces for the holidays, and I will be doing a video or tutorial every other day. So I'm going to do this one today and I'll come back on Saturday with a second one. But I'm going to use these glass jars. I'm going to also use some white spray paint that I have here. Now, this is an appliance paint, and it's all that I had, but that's okay. And I want to take that paint, and I want to spray the inside of my jars. I'm going to spray the inside of the jars, and I'll come right back for the next step. And of course, just like that, my jars are painted, and I have my E6000. And I glued the two larger vases bottoms together. And I'm going to take the smaller vase or jar, if you will, and I'm putting glue around the bottom, the E6000, along with a little hot glue for fast adhesion. And I'm going to sit it inside of the larger jar. Now I want to make sure that it's level and even. So I'm going to take this plate here and sit it on the top to make sure that it's even. I took the top jar and made a circle before I glued it. And now I just want to take some scissors and cut it out. I cut a strip of cardboard about 2.5 inches high, and I want to say it's about 7 or 8 inches long. And this will form my hat. From here, I'll kind of be quiet and just let you follow along. Now I'll make a circle to close up the top of my hat. I use black fabric to wrap the hat. To attach the fabric to the cardboard, I use Mod Podge and hot glue. I cut a strip of fabric to cover up the rest of the cardboard. I used ribbon to cover up the glue around the hat, and I also use it for his scarf. I used 2 black pom-poms for his vest. I used the black fabric to cut out the mouth and also his eyes. And a button for his nose. I took a saucer, I added Mod Podge around the perimeter, and then I added this glitter snowflake snow. I'll let it dry and we'll come back, put it together for the reveal. I absolutely love how my snowman turned out. Here at the top, you can see where my paint, or I scratch where the paint should be, but that's okay. And around where the hat, the cardboard is showing, I'm going to take a black marker to color in the cardboard. Overall, I think my snowman is quite cute. I mean, I do crafts, but nothing generally like this. But I wanted to make something a little bit different for a centerpiece. Let me know, what do you think? I added the lights under the bottom of the glass, and it gives it a nice warm glow on the snow. So if you're out there watching, make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget that notification bell so you can see my next holiday centerpiece. I want to thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays.